My bitch, she clutch because she a nurse.
When I'm down, she give me a perk. Police put up my gun in her purse.
I pull up with
I'm in this world and we looking for murder.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. I know y'all haven't heard that in a long time.
We over here in Fast Life Garage.
We in here in Fast Life Garage. As you can see, I'm about to install some side skirts, you feel me? Shout out to Remy. I'm gonna tag his IG and all that, YouTube, in the description. He gave me these because for his car, he wanted them. I think he said they didn't fit or something like that. But I was like,
how they fit. That's what he said.
oh, he didn't like how they fit. So I'm about to put them on, see how they look, see if I like them. But with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
What's going on, Fast Life family? It's your boy Fast Life.
Yeah, this man go. Subscribe to this man, Fast Life Prince. You know, you got the machine right here. But we about to hurry up and get this installed, finish and everything, because Florida been bipolar with the weather. So I'm gonna pick up back at the camera when we start doing everything. I'm gonna let y'all know something right now. If you ever need work done on your car, just hire this guy. He does it for free $99.
$399 a minute? Yeah.
No, free $99, not $399. You feel me?
I don't know what you're talking about free. Ain't nothing for free around here.
It's free
right
$99.
now, this man getting charged $1,000 just to do this.
Yeah, I ain't gonna
To
lie.
have your car in my garage? $1,000, bro.
$1,000. Now I can't pay for my car payment and my car insurance and my mods. So okay, this is what we looking like right now. You feel me? Got it halfway on. Got one more piece, but the extension cord doesn't extend that. I mean, the drill doesn't extend that far, so Jordan's looking for extension cord right now. But you feel me? This is how it's looking so far. Looking good, looking good. Coming together slowly. Let me see if I can get another angle. Hold on. Coming together slowly, but y'all see it when it's done. Still got the other side to do, but it's coming along smooth little process. You know, Florida mad hot for no reason, but almost done with it. Almost done. Well, there's a change of plans. I don't want them. So basically, when I put them on, it didn't line up correctly. So I'm just gonna get a one piece.
I'm gonna have a giveaway.
Stop it! I'm about to throw them away. But anyway, I think these are like universal side skirts or something. Cause when you put them on, they didn't line up correctly. So I'm gonna end up just getting a one piece.
They go slap box.
So yeah, these boys over here slap boxing on some suburban shit. This your hood, bro. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this video. Probably scrap it. Probably use it for something.
Nah, probably be linking up with Reem later.
Linking up with Reem. We probably gonna do that. So
yeah, throw it in the vid.
throw it in the vid. This guy.
Tell this
all right.
Everybody comment down. Get your tune.
Don't listen to this man. We packing everything up, bro. Start my car from now, cause this shit about to be loud as hell. You got the, you know what I mean? I'm gonna wrap my car this color. I promise you. This shit tough. And that boy got stars. Watch this. Yes, sir. Boy, I can't wait to get to him. Damn! That don't be loud. I need to get to him ASAP for sure. ASAP no Rocky. Look at these dweebs. I ain't gonna lie, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Man, it's bright as hell. Hold on. Let me get that. We about to go on a little Sunday cruise out to the beach. You feel me? We drop my windows, cause boy, I got harassed by police earlier today. The boys was like, you know your tint is too dark. Don't care, not taking it off. But you leading, bro. I'm not leading. I'm not leading, bro.
Come on now, somebody lead.
I'm not leading, bro. I'm in the back. I'm cruising, bro. I'm cruising.
Come on, so nobody wanna lead?
Jordan leading, bro. I'm chilling, bro. Jordan need to lead, bro. I ain't heard me get to him, bro. I got a lot going on. Y'all haven't heard my voice in a minute. That's a lot, but me and Jordan, well, I'm not gonna say me and Jordan, 'cause I ain't gonna include him in that, but I'm definitely starting my second channel. What did I just do? But he was recording at his second channel when we was at a photo shoot earlier today, a clothing brand photo shoot. And he was recording, and I was like, damn, I should start my second channel too. So I'm gonna be getting contact for that too. So you feel me? Stay tuned for that. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet. Either Von the Don or Von 2 times. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna drop it down in the description and everything like that. But stay tuned for the drive. We out right now. You feel me? Boy, taking off. Whoa. So tell me why we about to get some content right now. And I automatically see this shit. M5. Oh, she's like randomly in traffic. Always finding somebody. You know, Jordan always get attention. Hold on. I was about to rip their ass, but nah, let me not. Let's see what they doing. What's here? Who the? Come on now. Oh, and he got yellow headlights. This shit's hard. Damn, Jordan. You busting like that now? That MY 50 tough though. Definitely tough. Yeah. That V8 sound crazy. Boy, I need me an M5. That's what I need. I need an M5. That camera going crazy. That boy shit. You know how I'm rocking, hold on. I don't know why Jordan thought he was gonna pass me, gang. Chill out. Chill out. Oh, damn. That boy flying past. That's on tough though. Let me get back right, cause boy. And I need gas. Oh, alright. I think dog entertaining the bull. Oh, damn. That boy catless. That boy the bluer turbos. I seen so much smoke just come out his exhaust. I don't know what he just did. That boy changed his map. That's what he did. Oh, we gotta go where? We gotta go right, gang. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, man. Car always made me mad. Some nut bullshit. Not gonna lie to you. Sometimes cruising be better than speeding. That boy, I ain't gonna lie to red hard. Y'all can't see that. That boy headlights hard. I told you I got custom headlights. I just never put them on yet. I got a lot of stuff I haven't put on. Like I got long range springs I didn't put on. Custom headlights I ain't put on. I need to order another lip. And I need to order side skirts. I need to order rims. Let's not too. I need to order the M2 bumper. It's not a lot, but you feel me? It's still like a decent amount. And then that bit do cost. Me personally, I don't be liking spending money like that. This man Jordan, that boy gonna spend his whole life on a car. Tweaking. That boy Remy, I don't know him like that yet, so I don't know if he's spending his life or that boy just spending. But that boy car look hard. That bit tough. That bit tough. But we cruise on the highway, we out to the beach. Probably gonna take some pictures cause I got my camera. That's a Corvette. Whoa! You gonna let dog do that to you? Don't wanna let him do his tough. Probably gonna pick up the camera when we closer to the beach or something. Boy, hold on. Get right, cause these boys in the tunnel with him. tunnel pool was something serious. God damn. Boy, oh boy. Love the tunnels, huh? We going back? I'm trying to be like the fast youths when I grow up. Dang, popcorn? Damn, gang. What's up? Whoa. Potholes. Man, that boy popping. That boy did a launch at the other light. That boy was spinning. I was like, yeah, you need a drag pack for all 4 tires. That all-wheel drive ain't gonna save you from that tune. That boy fast. Watch out for this guy. Hey, it look like it's about to rain. Oh, no. Popping aggressive. Oh.
Is a rover beef?
Grab up out. Hey, I hear shit. Trying to sign shit one more.
Grab up out.
A lot of hell, whole lot of kill.
Gang.
Whole lot of drill. Hey,
Boy, they the only one who can
grab
pop.
up out. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from.